Hello everyone and my dear students, I again welcome to all on my study channel based on 12th Information Technology syllabus. This is Poonam Kamte from Aryan Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp Pune. In today's lecture, I am going to explain you CSS means Cascading Style Sheet in HTML5. CSS Cascading Style Sheet in HTML5. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. It can control layout of multiple web pages all at once. With CSS, you can control the color, font, the size of text, the spacing between the elements, how elements are positioned and laid out, and what the background image and background color to be used. Different display for different devices and screen sizes and much more. The word cascading means that the style applied to parent element will also apply to all children element within the parent. So, if you set the color of body text to blue, all headings, paragraphs and other text element within the body will also get same color. CSS allow you to control look and feel of several pages by changing single source. CSS syntax. In this diagram, CSS syntax is displayed. CSS rules set contains first selector and second declaration block. Here first selector and second is declaration block. Selector. Selector indicates the HTML element you want to style. It could be any tag like h1, body, etc. Declaration block. Declaration block. The declaration block can contain one or more declarations separated by semicolon. For the above example, there are two declarations. First, color is equal to yellow, and second, font size is 11 pixels. Each declaration contains a property name and a value separated by colon. Means declaration in declaration block are separated by semicolon like this. Next, declaration block. In declaration block there is property and value. In declaration there is property and value. A property is a type of attribute of HTML element. It could be color, border, etc. Value. Values are assigned to CSS properties. In the above example, value yellow is assigned to color property. Means CSS syntax is first selector, then open curly bracket, then property 1 colon value 1. Then after completion of first declaration semicolon then property 2 colon value 2 curly bracket complete. Type of CSS. There are three methods of implementing styling information to an HTML document. First, inline CSS. Second, embedded style sheet or internal CSS. And third, external CSS. First, inline CSS. Second, embedded style sheet or internal CSS. Third, external CSS. First, inline CSS. It uses the style attribute in HTML start tag. Inline CSS is used to apply CSS on single line or element. For example, P style is equal to color colon blue double quote complete hello CSS /p. So hello CSS will be displayed on web page with blue color. Inline CSS used to apply CSS on single line or element. It uses the style attribute in HTML start tag. We have to use style attribute in start tag. Here style attribute is used in P start tag. Next type is embedded style sheet or internal CSS. This is used to apply CSS on single document or page. It can affect all elements of page. It is written inside style tag within head section or HTML. Here is example. Here we use style tag inside head and /head tag. Inside style and /style we declare CSS syntax. For H1 tag, H1 curly bracket open color colon red. When we use this H1 attribute in H1 tag in body tag, then it will display H1 text in H1 and /H1 in red color. So the internal style sheet is applied on this heading will display in red color. Output of our program is as follows. This styling is not applied on P tag. Next, CSS properties. Here is some CSS properties. First is color. Color property uses to change the color of text. Value is color name. Example H1 in bracket color colon maroon. Next, background color. To set the background color in your web page, it uses background color property. Value of background color is color name. Example is body open curly bracket background dash color colon yellow. Next, font weight. It uses to bold text. Next, font style. It uses to italic the text. Value of these two properties is for font weight, value is bold or 100, 200, 900. And for font style, value is italic, oblique or normal. Next property, text decoration. This property used to add strike through mark, underline, overline to remove underline or underline from links. Value is line through, underline, overline and none. So text decoration has 4 values: line through, underline, overline and none. So P text decoration colon underline will display the output in P tag is with underline. Next, text align. This property is used to control the horizontal alignment of any block level text that are paragraphs, tables or other elements. Value of text align are left, right, center and justify. So text dash align colon center will display the output in H1 in center. Next, font family. This is used to control the fonts. Next property, font size. This property allows you to control the font size of font. Next, letter spacing. This helps in controlling horizontal spacing between characters or text. Next, padding. This property is used when you want to add padding around the content of element. Value of padding is pixel. Next, border. This property adds the border to web page. Value of border is solid, double, group, right, inset, outset, dotted, dash. Next, background color. Image. To style an image as a background of your web page. Value of this property is URL, where X is path of image file. And last property, margin left. Set the margin area on left side of the element. Value of margin left is px, pt, centimeter, etc. Thank you.